Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I gotta share with you the best macros application for Windows. And the good news is that it is entirely built in Python, so it could be motivating for you, and on the other hand, it could be useful for you. So let's go to the computer screen and explore some of its features. So the first time you open up this app, you will be brought to the About screen. This is where you get the changelog, the information regarding the updates that came up lately, and then we have some components that are being used in the development of this app. So you can check them out. These are basically links. So you can consider clicking these links and you will get more information about them. So that is all about our about screen. So before we get started, I have to agree to the license terms and privacy policy. So let me click that, and that's done, guys. That's all about the about tab, and now we're moving on to the macros tab, which is where we can create our macros. So we've got a welcome macro by default, so why not running it? So you just need to click the execute button and it will start running. As you can see, it opened up notepad and it's adding something down there, and we got this heart, guys. Boom, this is amazing. So if you would like to add some macros, just click the new macro, or if you got some of them, so you can just import them by clicking the import macro. But for now on, I would like to click on new macro, so just click it, and here you can rename your macro here. So here you can record steps, and it's going to record all of the steps, and then in return it will give you all the commands that are being recorded. But right now I would like to use the options that are given down below. So we have an idle option. Well, it basically puts a delay between two commands, and then we have a terminal. So if you use terminal here, you can basically run any other app just like a terminal, right? So it's basically a terminal implemented to this app. And then we have an internet browser here. You can use a screenshot options here, and then it will catch a screenshot of your screen. Then we have power button. So if I click the power button, you can shut down your computer, start, log off, log, or hibernate, but I'm not going to use that right now. We have a file system option here. Well, it's basically going to open up any folder, any specified folder or file. So you can choose from here, would you like to open a file or folder, but let's leave it at that. And then we have a mouse option here, so you can use the button click, button down, button up, scroll wheel, and you can even drag files through these options. You can scroll up or down pages using this command here. And then we have a keyboard basically here. Here you can use the hotkeys here. You can press a hotkey right here, 2 keys, or you can even choose 3 keys here. So that's all we've got. You can type anything from this option here. So if you'd like to type something here, that would be considered as a single command. So you can kind of consider all of these options, and that's it, right? So this is all about the macros tab. And if I go to log tab, there's the second tab, and here we got the logs of all the macros that I have executed, how many times they're being executed, what is the run date, time finished, and duration for that, and how many commands does it really contain. So this is all about the log tab here. Then we have a settings window here. So what it's all about, there are some settings that you can try doing it, some options regarding the confirmations, you can toggle off on them. And then we have miscellaneous here. You can disable the screenshot sound with animations, disable, enable, minimize to system drain, so on. So you can take a look at these settings and set them up according to yours. So then we have a schedule macros tab here. Well, it's basically going to allow us to schedule macros. If you're into running macros on regular basis, so consider scheduling your macros here. So just select the macro right from here, and then you can select the days on which days you would like to run that macro, and then you can select the time here, and then just click the add button. So since I didn't choose any time, so let me choose any from here. And if you click the add button, so that's it, you can see all of your scheduled macros in this list. And even you can modify this macros timing right from here. But that was all for scheduled macros. And last but not least, we got our macro hotkeys tab. This is where you can assign hotkeys for your macro. So suppose you can try left alt and then press R. So if anybody press these buttons, that's going to basically run our selected macro. That's all for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, grab this application right now. The link is given down below in the comments, and I will see you in the another one.